Hi everyone, it's Liddy. So as most of you know, we just completed our virtual oral argument in the First Department in Happy's case. For those of you who are watching it live, thank you, thank you, thank you for your support. You're always there for us. I hope you will always be there for us and continue supporting us. We truly could not do this without you. So we thank you. We know if Happy could say something, she would thank you as well. So, this is clearly interesting and quite novel. None of us have ever argued virtually, but clearly, because of the times, this is what we have to do. It was unique in that because of it being virtual, you got to see really what the judges were thinking. You know, the camera is very close. You get to kind of look in their eyes and see facial expressions. So that was unique. What's of course difficult is the fact that Steve only had 4 minutes for his direct case and then 2 minutes for rebuttal, which is very difficult, particularly in a case like this, which is very complex and has many issues kind of interwoven. Steve did, of course, if you were watching, a spectacular job, as he always does. The judges were absolutely engaged. I think we've learned always expect the unexpected. We prepare for everything, and you never know what you're going to be asked. They seem to be very interested in where the legislature fits into what we're doing and why we're not going that route, which Steve, I think, handled the question beautifully and explained why the legislature is good for certain things like animal welfare, but not for other things like animal rights. And that's what we're talking about here, this one particular right that we're asking the court to recognize. So, you never know what's going to happen. It was great. One of the judges referred to Happy as our client, which I thought was fantastic. I believe 2 of the judges expressed sympathy for our cause and what we're doing on Happy's behalf. So, a day in court for Happy is always something great. And we'll see, maybe 6 to 8 weeks I would think that we'll have the decision. And depending upon what that is, if it's not favorable, then we will go to the Court of Appeals, where we think that this case ultimately will be heard, hopefully ultimately will be heard. And we want to bring it before Judge Fahey, who has really spoken our language. He understands what we're saying and seems to agree with a lot of what we're saying. So it would be wonderful to get the case before him. So, we'll see. We did it. It was great. And, just keep following us on every social media platform where we exist. And again, thank you from us at the Non-Human Rights Project, from Happy, and let's make sure in the near future she gets the freedom she deserves. Thank you so much.